Good morning from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Friday, November 15th, 2013. The main weather story over the coming days will be a developing storm system which is forecast to form over the nation's midsection on Saturday and then strengthen as it lifts northeast towards the Great Lakes for Sunday and into Monday. And as you see from the impacts column on this slide, there should be a wide variety of weather as this system approaches and passes the region for Sunday and Monday. Starting with the threat for thunderstorms on the warm side of this system, Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening. And some of these storms could be on the strong side. We'll talk about that in a little bit more in a minute. Behind the system on Monday and Tuesday, as we get colder air moving into the region, we'll see the return of some lake effect snow showers, which could see some accumulations in the typical snow belt areas Monday and Tuesday. There will be some strong winds with the system on Monday as well. And then from a marine perspective, we do expect to see gales on the front side of the system starting Saturday night. And then as the system moves by later Sunday and into Monday and the winds really crank up, we could see some storm force wind gusts on the Great Lakes. Weather's quiet to start with today. We have high pressure over the southeastern U.S. and a frontal boundary off to the north of Lake Superior, which will remain there today. We do have a band of light precipitation moving through northern lower Michigan this morning, which will be ending by midday. We should see more sunshine as the afternoon wears on. But we will see our developing storm system come out of the plain states on Saturday, currently just in an elongated area of low pressure over the high plains over parts of Wyoming and Colorado. But a strong storm coming out of the Pacific Northwest will allow low pressure to organize over the nation's midsection this weekend, and then that system will work its way to the northeast by Sunday. Here is the severe weather outlook as issued by the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma. And this is the Day 2 and Day 3 thunderstorm risks. The Day 2 covers Saturday, and the Day 3 covers Sunday. And obviously the Day 3 slight risk for severe weather is most important here. Although the greatest threat for severe weather will probably be south of northern Michigan, given the fact that this is such a dynamic system, we can't rule out the possibility of some stronger storms producing some damaging wind gusts moving their way into parts of northern lower Michigan on Sunday. Here's the precipitation forecast for the system. Days 2 and 3 in particular are when the main show will be. Day 2 covers from 7 a.m. Saturday through 7 a.m. Sunday morning. And then the Day 3 forecast covers from 7 a.m. Sunday morning through 7 a.m. Monday morning. And you can see a fair bit of precipitation is expected, especially on Sunday. Storm total precipitation could be in the range of 1 to 2 inches in some areas, which will just add on to the recent rainfalls we've been seeing across northern Michigan over the past weeks. So stay tuned to later forecasts for additional details on this developing storm. And as the storm gets closer, we should have a little better idea on how some of these impacts and some of the timing will impact the area. That concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this morning. Thank you for listening in. The next update is expected around 5 a.m. Saturday morning.